Are you wondering if the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 are waterproof and can you perhaps even swim with these? So I have some bad news. Basically the case and also the buds themselves aren't actually waterproof, so you have to actually be very careful with them if you actually expose them to water. So the case is totally not waterproof at all, so even like light splashes is not suitable for this case. However, when it comes to the rating for the earbuds themselves, they are rated to withstand light splashes of water basically hitting them. So that shouldn't be a problem. For example, if you also like take them with wet hands that you have just washed, or maybe few rain droplets drop on them, that really shouldn't be a problem for these. But if you are wondering if you can accidentally drop these in water and nothing will happen to them, so I have some bad news. So do not actually try to swim with them or actually drop in the water. They're totally not meant for that. Good luck.